If you're over 60, there's something critical happening inside your body right now, and most people are never told the full truth about it. You might feel your bones getting weaker and assume it is simply because you are aging or because you aren't taking it easy enough. But here's the part that surprises most people. Lifting weights doesn't break aging bones. When done correctly, it is one of the single most effective ways to save them. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what happens deep inside your marrow when you lift, why avoiding resistance is actually the dangerous choice, and how to rebuild your strength safely without risking injury. You have likely been led to believe that your skeleton is like an old building, a rigid structure that slowly rusts and cannot be repaired. But that belief is completely wrong. Your bones are living tissue that is constantly breaking itself down and rebuilding itself every single day. The issue is that as we age, the balance changes. The cells that remove old bones start working faster, while the cells that build new bones slow down. But your body isn't doing this randomly. It is doing it because it thinks you no longer need the strength. This is where most people get trapped in fear, but the solution lies in a biological principle called Wolff's Law. This principle dictates that your bones respond directly to how you use them. When your body experiences controlled physical stress, it adapts by becoming stronger. When it doesn't, it begins to conserve energy by reducing bone density. In simple terms, your body only builds what you believe you will use. When you lift a weight or push against resistance, you aren't just training muscles, your tendons pull on your bones, creating tiny, microscopic stresses. These stresses act like a distress signal that tells your body, this structure matters, reinforce it immediately. That message wakes up the bone-building cells and flips the switch from decay to defense. I know the fear that stops millions of people from starting, though. You think, aren't weak bones more likely to break under weight? It is a valid fear, but the truth is you don't need heavy weights, extreme workouts, or to push through pain. Research shows that consistent, progressive resistance is what stimulates remodeling, not maximum weight. However, you must understand that walking alone is not enough. Walking is excellent for your heart, but your bones are already adapted to carrying your body weight. To trigger strengthening, they need a stimulus they aren't used to, like light dumbbells, resistance bands, or machines with controlled movement. Something powerful happens psychologically when you begin this type of training. You stop feeling fragile. You stop viewing your body as a ticking bomb and realize it is a responsive machine waiting for the right inputs. While bone density improves slowly over months, the confidence comes fast. You move differently, you stand taller, and you trust your body again. Before starting, strictly consult with your doctor, especially if you have existing conditions, but understand that the risk of doing nothing is far greater than the risk of starting slowly. Avoiding resistance doesn't protect aging bones, it quietly weakens them. If this gave you a sense of relief or changed how you think about your body, please hit the like button so this message reaches others living in fear. And I'd love to hear from you. What is the one physical activity you stopped doing because you were afraid of getting hurt?